Hello, my people. I greet the full house from untouchable mama host and they fine. Una do what so tell they help me tell they share this video, love and like, leave your comments. God go bless all of una for me. My people, we get one video where be say our sister do. I will play this video for una. Make una listen to what he talk about some of our Edo men. Some of our Edo men, they need to change. Take it or leave it. You see that mentality where they get that time for Naija, where we say they go born pikin, they not go take care of that pikin. They go see if the pikin grow, he go find the papa. Now they take come abroad though. Not be all. Some of them. Now they take come abroad. They need to change that mentality. They need to know, say, travel is a part of education. You see those things where we say, our papa then, they do that time. Where we say, no favor them. Where we say, even their own children, where we say, they do that thing for those children, they not agree forgive them. They need now to make sure, say, they not come, they do like that again. But some of them are still doing it. Some of them are still doing it, or in the name of say, you with person wey born for you, una get misunderstanding. Then you go come use that pepper body, put for the children body. You no go dey ask of them, you no care whether they dey or they not dey. You go come get am for your mind say, if those children grow, then go look for you. You see pikin wey dem dey born for abroad, they not be like the one wey dem born for Africa. Even most of them wey be say dem born for Africa, they know they look for you again, self. Now that time, where be say pikin go say he want the papa, no matter say he not trainer, he not take care of her, but he still need the father. Nowadays, he not there like that too. Talking so say the one where be say you born for year, because of say you with your wife or your baby mama get misunderstanding, you can't use because of that one. Abandon that pikin. May we listen to this video, please. As you are listening to this video, leave your comments. Let me to share this video, love and like. Most of our adult people, they need to change their way, the way they think they do. Because those children will be say they born, not be they send themselves to this world. Now you, as a man, now you go inside that hole, go put your thing where you know say you go come result to pikin. And when the pikin go come life now, you know what? May you give them that fathering love. It's very bad of some of them. May we listen to this video.
Many Edo men, they be waste of space. Many of them not suppose even deserve better thing for their life because of how they treat their children.
All right.
Now many Edo men I don't see. They go born pikin. They go abandon those children. Just because of say that they vex for woman. They go they vex for the children. He and the woman go get arguments come up for house. This man go come up for house, travel, go work. He no go call to check on the children. This man go the vex for your wife. He go the vex for the children. The moment they separate, he will never ever look for his children nor fight for his children. If woman carry pikin comot, man go try to say, I need access to my children. Yes. This Benin man no go come off for, he no go come off for house. Benin say, born we no here. Court, they no go carry these women go. No. They go do come out, they say they want to be single mother. They want to, oh God, nobody hold you from not looking, for not looking for your children.
Yes.
For not taking care of your children. You and this woman go the verse, you go the verse for children. Are you not you not be waste of space?
Yes, sir.
You not be person where they supposed to carry go throw away inside being.
Yes.
I listened to one audio yesterday. This man and a woman that they argue. The next thing, this man, they talk to somebody for phone. He said, make this woman pack me come on for years. Thankfully, he never pay school fees for the children self. Let alone say, he go come the water, say, he waste money. The children sit their ass, they never go school.
Your pikin.
I did live video again yesterday. One man come. You could tell that he was sad. Oga wait till they talk. He never see children for 9 years. Who swear for una?
I don't know.
Who do una?
9 years. Where you
Atie
dey?
bonu wa? How why?
I don't know.
9 good years. You didn't see your kids. How? Some of them did this Europe.
Yes, so they did.
They did the same country where they and their baby mama did. Or the mother of their children. They don't go care.
No.
They will wake up and go to work like it's another day at the office. Don't even, they know they sit down, they think about their children, say, I born. And once they carry these children, they go for inside my brokers.
Yes.
I need my children. Make them pay lawyer and fight for their children. Never.
They will not do.
Never. Now this same men, this same waste of space. Now some Benin women go come out. You never marry Benin man, you never know where they pay you.
No be lie.
No. No.
Don't be lie.
Most of them are waste of space where they are abroad. They don't care about their children. They play with the wife, they play with the children. They quarrel with the wife, they quarrel with the children.
Yes.
You don't do that. You separate it.
Yes.
Not be only una day this life. You separate it.
Yeah.
Your pride is too much. Your
much.
arrogance is too much.
Too much.
Person know they do arrogance reach for where picking day.
No.
The mental health trauma where they cause for the children is too much. You are damaging those children.
They don't know.
You are damaging their mental health. Separate your children from your woman.
Yes.
You should love your children more than you hate your woman.
Yes, so.
No matter what she do to you,
They are
no matter
innocent.
what she do. Your children are your children.
Yes.
No go ever go.
Ogbeyane.
Your kids are your kids. They were not there when you met this woman.
No.
If she can't change, she can't be something else. People change in life. Later carry a wahala they go, and you focus on your kids.
Abi.
Take her to court and fight for custody.
Yes.
Get visitation with your children. Spend time with your children.
They know they do.
That man they talk yesterday say the daughter they talk to her, the son no they talk to her. Exactly. The same character where you put down, the same strong mind where you put down. Now you don't copy from you. You get like say the girl now the girl they talk to you because she gets soft spot for you. You see your son, he doesn't speak to you. And he said the son is 14 years old.
Hey, Jesus.
He doesn't want to talk to the father. Yes. Yes, he take after his papa. Because his papa don't know where they pay now. If they verse for woman, they verse for children. When he call ready now, say, oh, I don't see children born again. Or he don't see woman when one born for her. Or because of the trauma, everything we don't go through, no one even near woman or let alone me woman born for her. They come back after 9 years. The son is not talking to him. Exactly. He took after his father. You're gonna blame him? Blame yourself.
Yes.
Oh, you're gonna blame the mother. Now God now go punish
He go
your
punish
head.
her.
Blame yourself.
Yeah. Now you
When
run for
something happened, the first thing is how to get access to your children. Some of them go be like, I not go send money, I not go do this.
I no go
You're not
care.
helping the woman. And you think it's those days where they talk, say, if Pekin grow, he go find you.
that. From where? Who dash there?
He not go find shoe.
Find you go where?
Which way you dey? He not go find you. You see that guy now, I told you, the son doesn't want to talk to him. And he's 14. He will go grow like that. You don't want to even see the papa for a while. You think you're doing something good. You think you're punishing the woman. You're punishing yourself. You're doing yourself.
Yeah.
Look for your children. It is too much. It's too much for una. Some don't men. It's too much for una.
No good at all.
Your pride not supposed to reach where your children did. Put your shoulder down when it comes to your kids.
Yes.
That's why you see papa lie down for grandchildren, go lie on, go stand or sit down on top of her. You bring yourself down when it comes to your kids.
Yes.
Una own too much. Una pride too much.
Too much.
You don't want to do something for woman. You don't care about the woman. Okay, that's fine. Hopefully she go see another non-Edo man where go care and love her and appreciate her. Yes. How about your kids? The mental health trauma where they cause is too much. And you people don't care about the children. It's annoying. It's painful.
Yes.
When you see this, men we're supposed to inside toilets. They'll see they do cat. Now they go, they get maths pass. You go ask them when last you see your picking 10 years ago, 5 years ago, 2 years ago.
They are like for where? Can you imagine, my people? Some of our Edo people, the men. It is time for you people to change. Change your way. That pride won't get throw away for grant. We are talking about your blood, your pikin where you born. Where be say now just say, make mama carry go. The pikin don't grow. He go look for me. You for your mind, he go come look for you. Where he for one look for you? Pikin where be say you don't know whether they exist. So you want me the pikin come look for you. Okay, that mentality where be say you get for Africa that time where they use. You want to continue around. I be say you don't know where they pay you. Most of una, now they cause una problem by una self. Yes. If woman say no they do, and pikin dead there. Make sure say you put your leg down. 50-50. That pikin, you must make sure say you go to see him. That fatherly love, give am to her. Because too much of everything is bad. The way one until they do is very bad. Waiting those children they pass through, una no know inside their brain it carry heavy load because of the attitude when until they behave, the way one until they do. Una go abandon our children for woman make they carry they go because of say you no want again make ikukuma carry they go. Then tomorrow you they expect that say that pikin go call they call you daddy. What daddy? What ke daddy re? Who know you as daddy? Who know you as papa? You do something of papa. The answer is no. As far you not do something of papa, wait till go make the pikin call they call you papa. He not see you as a father. You were not there. Make una change oh. Before it's too late. You go there alive. When you don't see your pikin reach, you go send her 10 years ago. Umagu, uragbon. 10 years ago. Ha! I dey fear some of una anyway. I dey fear some of una. Una get my do. You just dey life. You don't know whether you're picking, whether I go eat, whether I go drink. Nothing concern you. Then tomorrow, you will say, that is my son. That is my daughter. The thunder way go fire you. Without your mouth where you tell the talk and picking where you not train, where you don't know whether I go eat or you go drink water. The thunder way go fire you, The day where you go talk that kind of thing. I pity for Unasha. My people, please help me to love and like this video. Help me to share this video. Leave your comments below. I know say some women, they still they do this kind of thing. They go say they not go agree. Make the man when they see that picking. Oga, if you know say woman, he born for you and he not allow you draw am. Okay, now brought with it. Carry on. Oh yeah, see it. Make sure say you collect that 50-50 for her hand because not be only she born that pikin. As you be papa, that's why you be mama. So two of una need to train that pikin together. No matter say una not there together, you get the way we don't take the do 3 days for year, 4 days for year, or they go get the way we don't take and don't una. Or maybe now when you go there for holiday, you go there your side. Not be said only the mama will just claim her and you just kukuma just relax, make carry go. It's bad, It's very, very bad. Change your way. Thank you all for coming. I need to love and like this video. Share this video for me. Do not forget to follow my page, Untouchable Backup Page Mama, or Untouchable Mama, on my YouTube, Unto Mama. God bless you as you do. Bye bye for now.